How to download ChatGPT on your Android device.
First of all, you should know that there is no official application for ChatGPT, so you are only able to use ChatGPT from your web browser. You cannot download or install it on your device, but for the easy access, you can add the ChatGPT site to your home screen. So let's see how you can do it. First of all, head over to any web browser. In the search bar, search for chat.openai.com. It will land you on this page. If you already have your ChatGPT account, tap on Login. Enter your email address and your password. If you have created your account from your Google account, tap on Continue with Google. Select the Google account associated with your ChatGPT account. You have been logged into your ChatGPT account. Now, in order to add this site to your home screen, what you have to do is tap on this three dot at the top right corner. The option of home screen will be visible to you. Tap on it. Enter the name of the site. So let's write ChatGPT and then tap on Add. Click on Add to Home Screen. Now you can go back and check it out. There you can see that the site has been successfully added to your home screen. Now you can just tap on it and it will directly lead you to the site.
So this is it for today, and I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.